Welcome to another Women and the Series, which is the Tobosi Bezi Kolomwo. This is going to be my last video post for this year, 2022. And I want to end, before I move into the topic for the day, I want to say thank you very much for all those who have been watching my video, who have been coming back to watch this channel, who have been coming back to this channel to learn about Igbo spirituality or the Igbo, or our way of life as Igbo people. 2020 has been wonderful. This was my first year here on YouTube, and I know that 2023 will be blessed. Not just for me, but for you that is watching my video. I want improvement in your lives, and this is why I'm treating this important topic: 5 things to do before the year ends. 5 things you must do before this year 2022 ends. I wouldn't want this year to end without you not doing these 5 things. Do it, you'll see the result, and 2023 will share the testimony. Number 1, before this year ends, Boluchigi Nandi Shie Bono Ano Salaka. If you don't have money for goat is preferable. Buy he goats for your 1 he goat for your she, 1 he goat for your Ndi. If you do not have the money, use cock. 1 cock for your she, 1 cock for your Ndi. Do salaka for them. It's not easy. Despite the trials and everything, you are alive to see the end of the year. So this is like Thanksgiving. Wolufano, you buy yam, you cook it, you buy drinks and share. People will come, eat, celebrate. That's what our people say. No onye we or carry enjoy. The good thing about Ordinana is this: during your time of celebration, once you do this kind of Thanksgiving, the people come, you eat with them, they celebrate with you. It's not like other religions where you go for Thanksgiving, you give it in the church, you come back home and start looking for what to cook or what to eat. Kill it there, kill it for them. I will do one of the videos I will do next year is to show you how we can do all these things together. You can see how you can practice it, set up your own altar, practicalize it. But this time around, before the video, go kill it at any particular spot. This is what you are thanking him with or her with. You call your Ndi, say thank you, the ancestral power base of your lineage, for keeping you alive for this year. You know, making it to see the end of the year. Do it. Number 1, that's it. Number 2, visit Ipunmegi. Visit what? Ipunmegi. Ipunmegi means your maternal base. Make sure that you visit them. If you didn't visit them all through this year, try as much as possible for you to do what? For you to visit them. If you cannot visit them, send something. Igbo says, send something. If your feet cannot go, if you cannot go, your money should go for you. So say Thanksgiving. Send the same Thanksgiving to your maternal side, because you are also their children. Number 3, relax and take scores of your life, of your wins and losses for the year. You know, most time during this end of the year, people think that end of the year is a period for running around, partying, but I think otherwise. I think this is a time for you to calm down and take stock. It's not a time for riotous living. It's not a time for all the parties. It's not for a time of too much activities. Rather, it's a time for you to reminisce. Think about your losses. Think about your wins. Think about where you got it wrong. Think about where you got it right, so that you know how to start well next year. Number 4, if you committed any taboo, any cultural taboo, go and cleanse yourself the right way. This year, whereby next year, go and cleanse yourself how it's supposed to be done. If you slept with any of your relation, you slept with a married woman, I always say these two taboos are very defies a man's souls. It rankles a man's spirit. That's if you're an Igbo person. Some culture, it doesn't mean anything, but in Igbo culture, no, you are not supposed to have intercourse, sexual intercourse with another man's wife or with your own relation, blood relation. So if you committed any taboo, I'm not sure. Hey, also. So I'm not even going there. I'm going into those who did this sleeping with their relation or someone else's wife. Number 5, remember those you are better than through works of charity. Remember those you are better than through works of charity. No matter how much you think that this way he has treated you, trust me, there are those who had it bad than you. There are those who it was more difficult for. So remember those people. Little works of charity, especially for some of us that used to have excess clothes, excess shoes, excess property. Share some. Remember, less is more and more is less. I say less is more and more is less. Shed us this excess weight through giving. Give and give room. Create room for new things. Create room for new things. And there cannot be new things if old things do not go away. Do these 5 things before this year end and see the result. Thank you.
If you love the video you just watched, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.